I was just handed this book, Get Off Your Acid, and it's all about moving from an acidic diet to an alkaline diet. And it's shocking how many foods are acidic that we eat every day. Acidity causes inflammation in the body, and if you have inflammation in the body, that causes disease, and disease is the cause of every single ailment you can have. As a hobbyist in the kitchen and trying to figure out how to cook, I've now been challenged this year how to cook with alkaline foods. Sugar drinks are probably one of the worst things causing diabetes across America. So I switched to go to diet, and then to get off a diet, I just went to sparkling water. I found out sparkling water is acidic. So the best thing you can have is water with lemon. Get alkaline water. I just went down next door to my office and bought 5 gallons of alkaline water. So I just drink out of this jug every day and keep my body alkaline. I'm just looking at ways to live healthier, live longer, live happier, get off your acid. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow, healthier.